Good morning, students. We are going to see question number 14 from exercise 2.5 in unit 2 numbers and sequence. First, I am going to read the sum. Priya earned rupees 15,000 in the first month. Thereafter, her salary increases by rupees 1,500 per year. From these two sentences, we can understand that her salary for the first year 15,000 and her salary is going to increase 1,500 every year. Come to the next line. Her expenses are rupees 13,000 during the first year and the expenses increase by rupees 900 per year. From these two sentences we can understand that her expenses is 13,000 per month in the first year and it is going to be increased by 900 per year, so that her expenses will be 13,900 in the second year and so on. How long will it take for her to save rupees 20,000 per month? From the last line we have to find what is the number of years that she is going to save rupees 20,000 per month. So first we have to write what is given. So from the given, this is year and this is salary per year and expenses per year in rupees, savings per year in rupees. For first year she is getting 15,000 and spending 13,000, so that she can save rupees 2,000. For the second years it increases 1,500, so that her salary is 16,500 and her expenses is 13,900 and her savings will be 2,600. Like that in the third year she is earning 18,000 and expenses 14,800 and her savings will be 3,200. So they are asking what is her saving now, so that we need to find her saving per month. So that what is the saving given? 2,000, 2,600, 3,200, etc. up to 20,000 we have to take. So this is the last term, this is the first term, and this is the second term, and this is the third term. So that the saving is in AP. From that you can understand that the first term A is 2,000 and the common difference is 2,600 as T2 minus T1, 2,600 minus 2,000, so that you get 600, and the last term which means Tn, that is 20,000. So what you want to find? You have to find n value, because what is the when will he save rupees 20,000 per month? So that you need to find n value. To find the n value you can use any one of these two formula. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, or n equal to l minus a by d plus 1. From this formula you can understand that you need to find n value, and l is the last term and a is the first term and d is the common difference. All the things are taken here, so that I am going to apply these things in this formula. So what is L? 20,000. What is A? 2,000. What is D? 600 and plus 1. 20,000 minus 2,000 you get 18,000 divided by 600 plus 1. By cancelling 600 with 18,000 you get 30. So 30 plus 1 will be 31. So from this we can know it will take 31 years for her to save rupees 20,000 per month. I hope that you understood the sum. Thank you.